G'day! In today's video, I'm having a look at the Lenovo Ideacenter 510S-07 ICK. So this particular one is a small form factor device. If you have a zoom in down here, we can see that it's got a i3 9100 in there, a DVD burner, 256 gig of storage, and 8 gig of RAM running Windows 10. And looking on the back here, we have the standard power connector, 4 USBs, gigabit Ethernet, serial, VGA, DisplayPort and HDMI, and oddly, a single headphone jack. And looking around on the front, we have an extra 4 USBs, headphone, microphone, SD card reader, DVD burner, and power button. So with it being such a small size, what can we do to it? You would be able to install a low profile graphics card in here, but I'm going to take the side off and we'll see what else can be done to it. So looking inside, first of all I'll have a bit of a look at the power supply. What do we have here? So we have a 180 watt max power supply, so you should be able to fit in most single slot low profile graphics cards. At this time that would be a GTX 1050, 1030, GTX 1650. They should all come in, be able to fit into that location. Zooming back out, well, you can see not too much else. Fan, socketed processor, so that could be upgraded at a later date. Having a look over here, under the ROM, we can see we only have 2 RAM slots, which are 1, 2. So assumably you could have up to potentially 32 gig of RAM. You could easily have 16 in here. Also looking down here in the nest of connections, we see blue, well, it looks like blue texture on the screws. I'm assuming since this didn't have a warranty sticker on the side when I opened it, that's how they usually notice if it's been tampered with. Then looking a bit further down in this nest, we have one coiled up cable here. This one is a free SATA data cable, and we have a SATA power cable. And looking at the top, we have 4 Phillips head screws. That would be for this space here, where you'd be able to put in either a 3.5 inch drive or a 2.5 inch drive. By the looks of it as well, you should be able to upgrade your wireless card. If I can get the right angle on that for you, I'll zoom in. We've got a PCIe wireless card there. And also over at the side here, I can get the cables out of the way and get my camera to focus on it. We have a Samsung NVMe drive. Sorry guys, I can't get that to focus for you. No good. So we have a Samsung, I'll read out the parts number on that one. It is MZVL-B256HB-HQ-000L7. So I find the upgradability of this would be fairly comparable with most other small form factor machines. Be it we have a single slot for a low profile graphics, If it was the other way around, you'd be able to have a dual slot in there. The power supply is more than enough for this system with a graphics card in there, being 180 watts. We have the upgradability of a single 2.5 inch SATA drive or 3.5 inch. We could upgrade the RAM, we could upgrade the NVMe, potentially the Wi-Fi if you'd like to do that, and the processor. So I'm not sure how much these go for, but there's the upgrade options you do have available on this machine. Hope this helps you, and I'll catch you later. Bye.